This will be your first time witnessing the vast epic of life on Earth unfolding over 4.6 billion years, from nothing to existence. An ultimate visual feast across time and space, dedicated to every life that has ever shone upon this planet. Follow Top Bit to embark on an expedition exploring Earth's deepest secrets. Prepare yourself for a breathtaking journey through billions of years, back to the original chaos and miracles. From the birth of the moon to the rise of human civilization, this is an epic masterpiece about survival, evolution, and miracles. One that will completely overturn your understanding of life. The Earth was born from cosmic dust, forged through violent collisions and molten chaos, gradually cooling to form a stable crust and the planet's first vast oceans, setting the stage for life itself. 4.6 billion years ago, a birth of the moon. A colossal impact with the planet Theia slammed into the young Earth, molten lava spewing forth as the moon took shape. This cataclysmic event marked the dawn of Earth's incredible journey to nurture life. 4.5 billion years ago, crust solidification. Blazing magma cooled and hardened, forming Earth's first resilient crust, shielding a volatile atmosphere and preparing the surface for future life. 4.4 billion years ago, emergence of the first oceans. Condensing water vapor filled immense basins, giving birth to Earth's primordial oceans, cradles where life's mystery would soon awaken. 3.9 billion years ago, end of the meteor storm. The relentless barrage of meteor impacts subsided, allowing Earth's surface to calm and stabilize. A crucial turning point in the planet's fragile infancy. The simplest organic molecules gradually evolved into prokaryotic life. Cyanobacteria began photosynthesis, oxygen levels slowly increased, and eukaryotic and multicellular life gradually appeared. 3.8 billion years ago, first formation of organic molecules. Simple compounds combined in the oceans, laying the foundation for the origin of life. 3.5 billion years ago, birth of life. The earliest microbes appeared. Single-celled prokaryotes began to thrive on the ocean floor. 2.7 billion years ago, cyanobacteria began photosynthesis. Blue-green algae used sunlight to release oxygen, slowly changing Earth's atmosphere. 2.4 billion years ago, the Great Oxidation Event. Oxygen accumulated massively, causing drastic changes in Earth's environment. Life was forced to adapt to the new world. Huronian glaciation, approximately 2.4 billion to 2.1 billion years ago. Oxygen levels in the atmosphere steadily increased, causing a sharp global temperature drop and triggering billions of years of glaciation. Earth may have become a snowball Earth. Prokaryotes endured harsh environmental challenges, and some cold-resistant cyanobacteria continued to carry out photosynthesis, driving oxygen accumulation and laying the foundation for later complex life. 1.8 billion years ago, evolution of eukaryotic cells. Cells became more complex, developing nuclei and organelles, forming the basis of future plants and animals. 1.2 billion years ago, appearance of multicellular life. Cells began cooperating, giving rise to the earliest simple multicellular organisms. 800 million years ago, earliest simple animals. Sponges and mollusks appear in shallow seas, starting the animal era. 600 million years ago, Ediacaran biota. Soft-bodied multicellular organisms like sponges and disc-shaped creatures emerge. 541 million years ago, Cambrian Explosion. At the dawn of the Cambrian, the oceans teemed with strange soft-bodied creatures and the ancestors of arthropods. Worm-like hallucigenia wriggled through the mud and sand. The first hard-shelled animals appeared. Around 530 million years ago, the rise of predators. Anomalocaris rules the seas, reaching lengths of up to 1 meter. Anomalocaris was the largest predator of its time, equipped with flexible grasping appendages and a sharp circular mouth. Around 525 million years ago, peak diversification trilobites appear in great numbers. Highly adaptable, trilobites thrived from shallow coastal waters to deep ocean floors, becoming one of the Cambrian's most iconic creatures. Primitive vertebrates emerge. Tiny fish-like creatures such as Haikuichthys and Milocunmingia, only a few centimeters long, already possessed simple notochords and gill structures, the earliest ancestors of fish. 5 to 20 million years ago, Ordovician begins. Corals, brachiopods, and cephalopods flourish in the seas. Marine life underwent massive diversification. Cephalopods became the rulers of the seas. Early cephalopods, such as the straight-shelled nautiloid, rose to the top of the food chain, dominating the open ocean. Around 470 million years ago, earliest spores of land plants appeared. Although the true colonization of land by plants would take tens of millions more years, the emergence of spores indicated that green plants had begun exploring terrestrial environments. Around 445 million years ago, onset of the late Ordovician mass extinction, global cooling, and the arrival of an ice age. Continental drift pushed Gondwana toward the south, leading to glacier formation and a rapid drop in sea levels. Mass extinction of marine species. About 85% of marine species vanished, marking one of the 5 major mass extinction events in Earth's history. 40 million years ago, Silurian begins. Global climates warmed as glaciers retreated and sea levels rose, creating vast, shallow seas. Awless fish, such as armored ostracoderms, began to thrive in the oceans. Around 425 million years ago, late Silurian diversification. Marine ecosystems diversified rapidly, with coral reefs expanding in size. Arthropods, mollusks, crinoids, and other invertebrates flourished, setting the stage for the age of fishes in the coming Devonian period. Jawless fish roamed ancient seas, marking the dawn of vertebrate life. 480 million years ago, plants colonized land. The earliest moss-like plants took root on land, beginning the Green Conquest. 430 million years ago, land arthropods appear. Primitive insects and spiders ventured onto land, exploring new territories. 410 million years ago, start of the Devonian period. Placoderms and bony fish thrived, dominating aquatic ecosystems. 370 million years ago, earliest amphibians emerged. 4-limbed animals evolved, making the crucial transition from water to land. 330 million years ago, late Devonian forests develop. Ferns and early trees formed the first primitive forest ecosystems. 300 million years ago, Carboniferous forests. Dense swamp forests flourished, giant insects thrived, and abundant coal deposits formed. 290 million years ago, reptile diversification. Various reptiles rapidly evolved, spreading across land and water. 270 million years ago, amphibian decline. Amphibians declined as reptiles rose in dominance. 260 million years ago, increased volcanic activity. The Siberian Traps volcanic eruptions caused drastic environmental changes. 250 million years ago, Permian mass extinction. 90% of marine species and many terrestrial organisms disappeared, reshaping life on Earth. 240 million years ago, ecosystem recovery. Surviving species slowly recovered, forming new ecological communities. 230 million years ago, rise of the dinosaurs. Reptiles dominated land, evolving into mighty dinosaurs that ruled for millions of years. 200 million years ago, earliest mammals appear. Small nocturnal mammals hid in the shadows of dinosaurs, laying the foundation for future evolution. 180 million years ago, early birds appear. Feathered dinosaurs began to develop the ability to fly, giving rise to the first birds. 160 million years ago, peak dinosaur diversity. Mid-Jurassic boom. Herbivorous giants like long-necked sauropods, such as Mamenchisaurus and Diplodocus, roamed vast plains in massive herds, dominating the plant-eating niche. 163 million years ago, rise of apex predators. Large carnivores, such as Allosaurus and Megalosaurus, ruled the top of the food chain, using razor-sharp teeth and agile hunting strategies to maintain their dominance. 160 million years ago, expansion of flying reptiles and early birds pterosaurs diversified, taking control of the skies, while early birds like Archaeopteryx emerged, showing feathers' dual role in flight and insulation. 158 million years ago, full ecological conquest. Dinosaurs occupied nearly every land-based niche, from swift small hunters to elephant-sized herbivores, creating a complex Jurassic ecosystem network. 150 million years ago, bird evolution. Feathered dinosaurs evolved stronger flying abilities, and birds gradually became more diverse. 130 million years ago, mammal evolution accelerates. Mammals began to exhibit more varied forms and ecological behaviors. 80 million years ago, trend of dinosaur body size reduction. Some dinosaurs started shrinking in size to adapt to diverse environments. 70 million years ago, early primates appear. Before the complete extinction of dinosaurs, some small, tree-dwelling mammals evolved more flexible limbs and grasping abilities, laying the foundation for the emergence of primates. 68 million years ago, advancements in vision and brain development. Early primates gradually developed more forward-facing eyes, enabling stereoscopic vision for precise distance judgment in trees, while brain size began to slowly increase. 65 million years ago, surviving the dinosaur extinction. During the mass extinction event at the end of the Cretaceous, these early primates survived and quickly expanded into the ecosystems left vacant after the dinosaurs' demise. 65 million years ago, Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event. A roughly 10-kilometer-wide asteroid struck what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico, releasing energy equivalent to billions of atomic bombs. The collision triggered massive tsunamis, earthquakes, and volcanic eruptions. Dust and smoke blocked sunlight, causing global temperatures to plummet and plants to die off on a massive scale. The following thousands of years, mass extinction and ecological recovery. Non-avian dinosaurs vanished, along with marine reptiles and many other species. 55 million years ago, mammal diversification. A warm climate led to diverse mammals, ranging from tiny shrews to large herbivores and predators. 20 million years ago, early apes appeared. Primates adapted to an arboreal lifestyle, beginning the story of humanity. 7 million years ago, human ancestors diverge. We split from other apes and began walking upright. 2.5 million years ago, Stone Age begins. Early humans made tools, marking the start of civilization and technology. 300,000 years ago, Homo sapiens emerge. Modern humans appeared, endowed with creativity, language, and curiosity. 12,000 years ago, agricultural revolution. Humans began farming and domesticating animals, laying the foundation of civilization. 5,000 years ago, invention of writing. Knowledge was recorded and history passed down. Today, the human era. From humble beginnings to towering cities, humans shape Earth's future. A new chapter in the miracle of life. From the birth of the moon to the rise of civilizations, Earth's story is a tapestry woven with countless lives, seen and unseen. Every creature, every moment, a miracle of survival and change. In honor of every soul that has ever lived and breathed, thank you for joining this journey through time. Remember, we are all part of this magnificent story. Subscribe and share if you believe in the wonder of life.